Welcome everyone to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Zombie Catchers, in which you can get free and unlimited plutonium and a free store mod. And this modded version is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means it doesn't matter whichever device you're using. All you have to do is just watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video I will have given you complete knowledge of how to download this game into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So what is this modded version, what does it offer, and what exactly is a free store mod? I know you got these questions, so let me tell you what is it. So plutonium is the primary currency of this game, Zombie Catchers, and since it's the primary currency, it is always paid in the normal version. So if you wanted to purchase plutonium in the normal version of this game, you would definitely go to the store and purchase it by paying real money, or the other way you would have to wait for longer periods by completing different tasks and missions to earn it. But that's not the case in the mod version, because when you go to the store and when you want to purchase the primary currency, which is plutonium, you'll notice that these packages of plutonium cost $0.00, which means you don't have to pay a single penny. And since you don't have to pay a single penny, I have like about 38,543 plutonium right now, and since they're all for free, the moment I click on a particular package of plutonium, that specific amount of plutonium is transferred to my personal plutonium, and this way I can go on to purchase as much as plutonium as I want without having to worry about running out of plutonium at any point in the game, which is just amazing, remarkable, and insane. So this is how it works, and this way you can just go on to add unlimited plutonium infinitely into your personal plutonium, and just simply, purchase as much as you want without having to worry about running out of plutonium at any point in the game, which is just insane and amazing. So look at that. I just got 39,000 plutonium, 40,000 plutonium, and 40,343, and I have about like 43,343 plutonium, 46,000, 49,000, 52,000, and this way I can go on to purchase as much as plutonium as I want. There we go, 55,000, without having to worry about running out of plutonium at any point in the game. And since plutonium is the primary currency of this game, and I have that in infinite amounts, I can purchase everything else for free as well, because it is the primary currency. And this way, everything in the store for me is free, and that is why we call it a free store mod. And this is what makes this mod is pretty special and pretty interesting, and this makes the game a whole lot more interesting, engaging, fun, entertaining, and a major way to kill time, because the game itself is pretty entertaining, but if you have unlimited plutonium, it is even more interesting and even more fun. So this is how amazing this modded version is, and this is how greatly this modded version can boost your gameplay and significantly increase your level of fun, and basically unlocks the total potential of this game and to provide you entertainment, and it I would say quite correctly does. And so what I'll be doing next is that I'll be deleting this game from my phone so that I can take you through the entire downloading process, and I'll delete this game, and by the end of this video I'll have this game downloaded again in my iPhone, and this will make the entire downloading process much more simpler for you guys to understand, because I'll take you through each and every single step. So make sure to follow them correctly, and make sure that you remember that the steps I'll be doing are exactly the same for both Android and iOS devices, except for one step where Android users have to skip one step, and for that I'm here to guide you when and where to do so, so do not worry about that either. And so the steps are pretty simple. Just follow the video till the end, because after that you'll be able to get this game downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So this is the Zombie Catchers. Sorry, not Catchers, Zombie Catchers. So this is the game. I'm going to be grabbing it to delete it right now. There we go. Boom. Now first things first, locate your settings and open it. And then step number 1 is go down to your general settings and go down to your background app refresh and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 1, which is only for iOS devices, and this is the distinguishing step. If you're an Android user, skip this step and move on to step number 2, because there is no background app refresh on Android devices. So once this is done, exit your general settings and go back to your normal settings, and step number 2 is go down to your browser settings. Whichever browser you're using, go to its settings and go to the privacy and security section and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. Otherwise your downloading process will be affected, and this is step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices. The last step is to go to your battery settings and make sure all power saving mods have been turned off, and this is step number 3, which is again for both Android and iOS devices. Once these things are done, close your settings and hit open the browser for which all cookies have been unblocked, and in my case it is the Safari. It can be any other browser as well, like I just earlier said. And in the search engine bar, type this in carefully and correctly, injected.win. Type this in and what to do, then click search, and a list of modded games in absolute pure right in front of you this way, arranged in alphabetical order. And this is going to be pretty simple. So what you're going to want to do is look for this one. There we go, it's the last one, Zombie Catchers ++ free store mod unlimited plutonium. Click on the sign button and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button, which may take up to a few seconds in most cases. However, in some cases it may take up to a while, which is why I have fast forwarded the video over here to make it short And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward, and I'm showing you it is. And the only reason the video has been fast-forwarded is to make it short, as I just earlier mentioned. And once that is done, the last step over here is pretty simple. Just move into it, and I'll show you how to do it. Over here, basically, you have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these offers, I'll be completing 2, as my first one is going to be Norton Secure. You'll have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. However, I'll run it for 45 seconds to be on the safe side, and I'd recommend you guys do the same as well. However, you might not notice it because the video has been fast-forwarded to make it short. And by the way, these apps are downloaded from the official source, so they're safe to use. And rightfully so, I've completed my offer number 1, and I'll close it, head back to the list to complete my offer number 2. And my offer number 2 will be this one, yeah, the free prints app. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds again, but I'll run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side as earlier. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage, and once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you'll notice that your game, Zombie Gatherers Plus Plus, will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these 2 simple steps underneath the home icon. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game, app, or a moderate version of a game or app. Until then, enjoy Zombie Gatherers. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and bye.